Your brain normally receives just one unified view of the world, but what if your eyes could look in completely opposite directions? Imagine if you surgically attached periscopes to both eyes, pointing them away from each other. The real question is, what would you actually see? Your brain would be in for the shock of its life. Here's the wild part: you wouldn't see two separate images like a split-screen TV. Instead, your brain would receive two completely different pictures simultaneously and absolutely freak out trying to process both. The sensory chaos would be unlike anything you've ever experienced. Normally, your eyes work as a perfect team, both converging on the same point so your brain can calculate depth and distance. They constantly coordinate like dance partners, sending matching signals that your brain can easily combine into one clear picture. But now each eye is looking at something completely unrelated, sending two different realities into your head at the exact same time. Your brain would desperately try to make sense of two completely contradictory visual inputs hitting it simultaneously. Scientists actually know this happens because people with certain eye conditions experience something very similar. Some folks with vision disorders see completely different images in each eye, and their brain has to make a choice about which one to actually pay attention to. Most people's brains just cannot handle two full scenes at once, so one gets completely suppressed and you temporarily lose vision in that eye. Your brain locks onto whichever scene seems more important and literally shuts off the other input. The sensory overload would be so intense that you'd probably experience massive headaches and severe vertigo. Your brain would be working overtime trying to make sense of the chaos, draining your energy and making you feel completely disoriented. Some researchers think your brain might try to alternate between the two views like a switchboard, constantly flipping focus back and forth. This neural tennis would be exhausting and confusing, leaving you unable to trust anything you see. The trippiest possibility? You might temporarily experience something close to 360-degree vision, but completely without any context or depth perception. Your brain needs both eyes on the same thing to understand space, so all those periscope images would just be flat, confusing snapshots. Pretty terrifying experiment to actually try, but absolutely fascinating to think about. Evolution never prepared your brain for this kind of input, so nobody really knows exactly what would happen. The good news is you don't need periscopes to explore how incredible your vision system really is.